Now, in the Ketan Agarwal murder case, viewers, DSP Gajanan Tompe has said that the crime scene reconstruction was carried out this morning at Lohagarh Fort based on the account provided by accused Sia Goel. He stated that Sia Goel was taken to the location and the sequence of events was recreated accordingly. The officer added that a dummy of the same weight as the victim, Ketan Agarwal, was used during the reconstruction exercise. Let's listen in.
आज सुबह सिया ने बताया जैसे हम उसको वहाँ पे लेके आए और सीन रिक्रिएशन हो गया है। सिया ने बताया क्या क्या हुआ था, उस हिसाब से हमने सीन रिक्रिएट किया। हमने उसी वेट का एक स्टैचू बनाया था, वो हमने किया हुआ।
All right, so this statement, viewers, has of course come out. But now Shweta Verma, my colleague, is joining me live from Mumbai. Shweta, you know, for the benefit of our viewers, I'd like you to reconstruct the whole thing for us, the background of this case, what really happened, and just a little recap.
Right, Vaishali. In fact, for our NewsX viewers, let's begin from the scratch that what happened. On 18th of June, Sia, along with her fiancé, Ketan Agarwal, and secretly with Chetan Chaudhary, who is believed to be her boyfriend, they went to Lohagarh Fort, and allegedly Ketan was pushed by Sia Goel, and he was pushed to his death. Remember, the entire rescue operation went for several hours. The body was recovered. Everyone gathered at the police station, and it was initially reported to be accidental death report number 1. Till 19th of June 2021, everything seemed to be normal, as in the accident that has happened, though tragic, but it was an accident. It was termed, projected as accident. But on 23rd of June, police had come up with an ugly truth stating that it was not a tragic accident, but a pre-planned cold-blooded murder that was done by Ketan's fiancée, Sia Goel, and her alleged boyfriend, Chetan Chaudhary. This shook everyone, including the family, the police, as well as the people, those who are seeing this news. In fact, this has gone way viral on social media as well, Vaishali. Post that, we have seen, piece by piece, there are details emerging which are actually disturbing in nature, which are very brutal to understand that how a 20-year-old girl and a 22-year-old boy, they meet, they hatch the planning, they strategize, and they execute a proper planned murder just to get away with the murder. They stage it as it was an accident. And remember, it was not one attempt. It was multiple attempts that were made alongside plan A, plan B. Plan C was also ready with them. Imagine the mindset of these two people. Now, they also stated during the interrogation, in fact, Vaishali, that if not he is getting pushed from the Lohagarh Fort, then what can we do? They also they had a plan B into their account, is staging a road accident so that Ketan could die. Number 3, they also searched about slow poison. If not road accident, that could get messy, that could involve a lot of interrogation and a lot of investigation by police. Slow poison was a third method. So completely talks about the criminal mindset, what Sia Goel and Chetan Chaudhary, in fact, they had. So completely, this is very important to understand that how the police has cracked this. And as of now, the police is trying to collect as much as circumstantial evidences they can. Having said that, today also, the police went to Lohagarh Fort, but this time along with the accused, she has been apprehended by police, and the further interrogation is underway. But crucially today, she went to Lohagarh Fort, the very spot where she allegedly pushed Ketan Agarwal, and police is collecting as many as evidences as they can in the form of circumstantial evidence, as form of digital evidence, as form of the collecting evidence of the physical materials, let it be the bike, the vehicle they carried, the hoodie he wore, or any the shoes they wore at that point of given time. With this, the eyewitnesses are also playing a very crucial role. Remember, they are collecting heaps of data, heaps of evidence. What would be admissible in the court is something we have to see.